I know we're in a people are very tense over this Damascus, Syria, Bible prophecy, Isaiah 17:1, Jeremiah 49, 23 through 27, the Arab Spring, everything going on, chemical weapons, gas masks. So I did a little filming outside the firing range here in Germany. Let's take a watch, okay? I'm standing here in Neztenburg, Germany. Behind me is a sign that says, "Caution, danger to life." The reason is you probably can hear as the shooting's going on in the firing range behind us out in the woods. It makes me feel like the drums of war. Of course, with Syria and this deal between the Americans and the Russians to try to put an end to the pursuit of an attack of America on Damascus, Syria. For some reason, I still feel an uneasiness, a sense of danger of wars after war after war that we have faced in this world. Will there really be peace? Or will the Bible prophecies that spoke of in Isaiah chapter 17 verse 1 and the destruction of Damascus, will it still come to pass? Will Assad hide the chemical weapons? Or there's reports already that he's moving them into Iraq, where he got them in the first place. Will the Russians keep their end of the bargain of the deal, or will the Americans? And what about Israel? Who will watch Israel's back? Good thing they have God. The question is, in a world that has no peace, until the Prince of Peace comes, do you have peace in your life? Or are you standing on the edge of a war zone? Are you standing on the edge of eternity without Jesus Christ in your life? I'm Pastor Paul Begley in Neztenburg, Germany, standing on the edge of the danger of life.